When people talk about slavery, they often speak as if it arrived fully formed, as if it was always fixed, always racial, always permanent. But in the early decades of English America, slavery was not yet fixed. In the early 1600s, English colonies were unstable. They needed land, they needed labor, and they needed profit quickly. Labor systems were fluid. People worked under indenture, forced service, temporary bondage. Race had not yet been written into law. In 1619, Africans arrived in Virginia. Some were treated as indentured servants. Some were forced into bondage. Their status was unclear. What mattered most was labor. At the same time, indigenous nations were being pushed off land. Villages were displaced. Treaties were ignored. Two systems were forming together. Tobacco became the first major money-making crop in English America. It required constant labor, clearing land, planting, harvesting, curing, packing. Tobacco was deadly work, and it demanded control. Profit required permanence, land was being distributed, labor was being extracted, but the system was still open. Some Africans completed terms of service, some acquired land, some married, some went to court, some built families. This moment, brief as it was, revealed possibility, and possibility threatened profit. While labor systems shifted, indigenous nations were being removed. Land was declared unused. Ownership was redefined without consent. This land did not become empty. It was made available. As profits grew, ambiguity became dangerous. Colonial leaders began redefining status. Freedom became conditional. Bondage became inheritable. The system was closing. This moment matters because it proves something important. Slavery was not inevitable. It was constructed. Indigenous removal was not accidental. It was policy. The foundations of America were being tested and refined. When one person challenged this system, the system answered back. Next, we examine the life of a woman who forced the law to speak, and what happened when it did. Stay bold, stay curious, and keep uncovering the truth behind the myth.